to my vlog, and now it's 8:38 and I've got Chembur station. So currently I'm at the Chembur station waiting for my friend. It's 8:35. We should reach here in about 10 minutes and then we'll be going to CST station. We've got something special for you guys this time, for my viewers, for the Leela gang, for the Leela vlogs, for Leela this, Leela everything. So all I want you guys to support, give this video a like before starting the vlog. So give it a like and I hope you enjoy. And we have taken the ticket and we'll be going to CST. इससे तो तुम दोनों को अप्रोच किया क्या पेमेंट सपोर्ट Okay, so we got down at Kurla station because we could not stay in the train for long because of the crowd, and we got down and we had this क्या खाया हम लोग ने रगड़ा समोसा. Okay, this is Kartik Wali and this is my friend Vipin. So guys, we have reached now the CST station. Vipin and Kartik Wali. Now we'll be catching a taxi and we'll be going to the Gateway of India.
I can't believe the night lay waste to all we'd given. But honestly, you've gotta know that this ain't living. But we could run from Elysium and let it burn, let it burn.
I've reached the Gateway of India, Bali, Vipin. Oh yeah. So awesome, like, and now we'll be in sometime we'll leave for the Elephanta Caves. We'll be taking the ticket and we're going to Elephanta Caves. So I'll show you a small cinematic about around this area. To Elephanta Caves. Yeah, this is for 140 and the big one is for 200. So we're deciding which one to take. We have taken the passes for Elephanta Caves. The boat. Our friend is arrived. This is Chirag. Hi bro. Again, once again Bali and Vipin. So now we'll go to the boats. So this is our boat. We are going inside.
That free है तो इसके लिए बोलेगा
I can't believe myself. I never thought this would be our end, but it's nothing new. And my lover's honesty, I can push it back down if I have to. if you want me to. 'Cause we can run, and we can run.
Okay, so we have reached the Elephanta Caves, and go to the island. There's even a train service, mini toy train service. That's for around like 10 rupees, and it's really a nice experience. We came through a boat, and if you take the 200 pass for the boat to sit at the top, you have to pay 10 rupees extra, which is worthless.
The stars they fall all for you. So tell me now, what's left to lose if we run?
Now we just paid 5 rupees as adult tax. Adult tax.
माझा देख रहा है bro, वो मंकी माझा उठा के अच्छे से पी रहा था। जाके बात मंकी में ज्यादा सेंसिटिव के मंकी के लेके तू कैसा बना?
Monkey will take my camera, man.
नहीं लेगा तू, बैक कैमरा ऑन करके देख रहा। वो देख उधर देख, 3 बैठे। वो मंकी लड़ाई कर रहा।
Okay, so one thing about what's famous about Elephanta Caves is you see many monkeys over here. So these are small shops on the way while going. Okay, I don't know how much distance is there for us to reach the caves. It's like something kind of similar like the Sion Fort. Too many steps. If you didn't see my yesterday's vlog, Sion Fort, jogging from Chembur to Sion Fort. Reached at the top, Elephanta Caves. This is from where the main journey starts. For me, according to me, the main journey starts from the start only. You can see it from the cinematic. We have entered the Elephanta Caves. Or not the caves, in short. We are going to enter the caves. और विपिन, हाँ भाई, क्या लगता है? बहुत चलना पड़ेगा. Let's ask Bali. Bali, what do you think? Workout है क्या अच्छा?
बहुत अच्छा।
आप चिराग कर। क्या लगता है वर्कआउट अच्छा है ना?
ऑब्वियसली बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है यार, इतना स्लोप है, इतना चढ़ाई है, ऊपर से देखने को कितना कुछ मिल रहा है, इंक्लूडिंग फॉरेनर्स।
Okay, so we just entered the place and we'll be entering the caves. Before entering the caves, you have to purchase ticket. For Indians, it's 40 rupees, and for foreigners, it's 600 rupees. This is outrageous. I don't understand why foreigners have to pay 600 rupees and Indians have to pay 40 rupees. It should be 40 rupees for everybody. It should be equal for everyone. Anyways, forget the topic and we are inside the caves.
Hello sir, video, not video, only photo.
Okay, so just now in the caves, the security said that we cannot take videos, but still I'm gonna take videos. Just for you guys, only for the Leela squad, I'm taking videos. I won't be talking a lot in the video, as I'll be telling them I'm taking photos. I'll be taking a silent video for now and just showing you guys around. Photo.
फोटो वीडियो नहीं,
Photo?
मल्ली फोटो।
हाँ, photo. See, as you can see, the securities are telling me just to take photos and not videos. The problem is I have to tell the securities, the guys and the securities over here that I'm clicking photos. But the only problem is, dude, guys, The only problem, I'm taking videos just for the Leela squad, for my love, for all of you. I'm just taking. So you can see, I don't understand why travelers have polluted the river. You can see. Yeah, as you can see here also. Just like 2 minutes ago, 2 people were caught taking videos, but I'm just taking videos just for you guys. There's a small tunnel. You can't go up. Bali allowed नहीं ऊपर जाना. नहीं जा सकता है.
लगा हुआ है देखना.
हाँ बैरियर्स लगा हुआ है देखना bro. Can't reach the barriers. नहीं कुछ नहीं है.
चल.
This is cave 1. Yeah, for my people, for your information, this is cave 1. For Leela, but it's just for the viewers. I want everyone to see how the Elephanta caves look like. So guys, actually problem हुआ है. Security is not letting me take videos. वो पकड़ा गया. I was caught 2 times. We will be coming back again soon. I'll be planning again for the second time at the Elephant Caves to visit cave 2, 3, 4, and maybe we'll do a trek also someday. But I'm really sorry guys. The security is not allowing me. They even took my GoPro.